What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have an accessory that I know you guys been looking for a while, and we finally kind of get something that can cater to us Pixel owners, specifically the Pixel 9 series owners. I myself am rocking a Pixel 9 Pro Fold and a Pixel 9 Pro XL Pixel Watch 3 45 millimeter, and the earbuds that are right here, the earbuds. So I've been looking for a hub that caters specifically for Google Pixel users, and I think I found one. I was looking around through Amazon, and this is what I found right here: a 3-in-1 wireless charging station, fast wireless charging. It has 15 watt, 10 watt, 7.5 watts, and 5 watts basically. The brand is, I don't know what the brand is, but this is Qi Wireless Charging. I think the brand is like Hatakin or something like that. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what we have. Now, we all know I myself have the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So we have the user manual there. Boom. Nothing else is in the box. I believe this is the charging brick. USB to Type-C. And the charging brick. And let's take a look at this bad boy here. Very simple charging station. Basically, you have your wireless charging pad here for your phone. You have the pins here for your Pixel Watch 2 or your Pixel Watch 3. It's going to work with both. Not the original Pixel Watch, because the original Pixel Watch is wireless charging. It doesn't have these 4 pins. And you do have the charging pad back here for your buds. So let's go ahead and see how this bad boy works. You're going to have to remove this sticker here. It says it, remove the sticker. Let me see if I can plug in this Type-C. So I'm going to take off my watch. We're going to set this. Well, I guess it doesn't go that way. It goes this way. Like so. And it is charging, as you can see. And then I'm going to grab my Pixel buds. And I'm going to place it here. And I don't know if you heard that, but it is wireless charging my Pixel buds. And now let me grab my phone. Now, it might not work with my Pro Fold because of the placement. Oh, it might, actually. I don't think. Yeah, you have to higher it a little bit. You see the coil here. If you put this in the middle, higher it a little bit. So what a lot of people do is put like a little battery on here or something on the bottom. But I do have. So it'll work just with your regular Pixel XL. As you can see, 100% charging there. This is charging. And you have, I don't know if you can see it. You have this charging here. Pretty good. This is charging, which is cool. But if you remove this, and if you get like a pin, just leave the pin down there, and then you grab your Pixel Fold XL, voila, it charges pretty good. Yeah, fully charged by 20. So it's charging. Let me grab this camera so I can give you guys a better view here. So this is what you guys are gonna get. It's charging, as you can see. Just put the pin down there. The buds are charging. You have the buds here. Those are charging as well. You can take it off and kind of place it like so. And those are charging, and the watches. So overall, you're going to get a great experience with this. This is the Talkin 3-in-1 wireless charging station hub for your Pixel devices. It's going to work with your Pixel Watch 2, Pixel Watch 3, your Pixel Buds Pros, any Pixel Bud Pros with wireless charging, and any Pixel devices. Now, an exception is the 9 Pro Fold, because you have to put like a pin just to raise it up a little bit so the coils can go ahead and match and start wireless charging. But besides this, I think this is a great option for anybody out there looking for this solution, this hub for you to have. I know there's plenty of hubs out there for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, Samsung Galaxy ecosystems, and Apple. And finally, we have something for us to kind of have. I know it's not the most premium one, but it does its thing. It works perfectly, and I think you'll be happy and satisfied with it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, this will be in the description of the video, the link to this product. So make sure you go down there and pick it up and help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.